this is the journey of Quran from Ahde Nabawi to till date.
Yes, till date. Now in the 2nd century, we have original pieces, but they are very old, we cannot display them. So that's why we keep them inside the store. Here they started using the papers. This is paper now. It came from Baghdad and Dimashq, which is in Syria.
Yeah, paper.
Yeah. Of course, paper was invented from the 1st century, was in China, but then came to the Arab areas. Here we have original pieces. This is 3 pieces, are original, 1,100 years old.
This is original?
Yes, these 3 are original from the 3rd century. So from AD is 815 to 912 AD. Now what you saw there, the calligraphy is mostly Al-Kufi font, Al-Hijazi font. Here they added new fonts or calligraphy, Al-Rayhan and Nasr. So this is much easier for us to read than Al-Kufi font. You see, this is easier for us to read than Al-Kufi. Yes. First century, they added translations in the Quran. You see here, this is the verse of the Quran, and this is translation in Persian under the ayats.
Translation?
Yes, translation.
In 1100?
Yes. And these pieces are original.
These pieces are original?
Yes, these 2.
MashaAllah.
So if you see in the white paper it says muhaka an al-asl, that means it's a replica of the original. If you don't see muhaka an al-asl down there, it means it's the original. So there is an original piece similar to this, but we made it a replica of this.
Mm-hmm.
1200.
This is the 6th hijri. Here also we have an original piece. As you can see, there is also translation in Persian under the words. So this is the 7th hijri.
1300.
Yes.
Okay.
You can see there's more gold and decoration added to the Quran. New colors as well, like blue and red. So this is new. So each century there's something new for the Quran.
Each century there is something new.
Yeah. To make it easier for us today to read the Quran. So all these pieces are original. This decoration is considered plant-based. It looks like leaves of the plants. And here also there is translations in red under the words.
1300.
This is the 9th century, which we have Persian decoration and Persian calligraphy.
Persian in
Yes.
1000.
And here you can see some explanations and translations in Persian on that side. In the 10th hijri, also all these pieces are original. Italy considered the first country to print the Quran by machine.
Italy?
Yes.
Italy.
Yes, printing by machine. However, they burnt all the copies.
Huh.
They burnt all the copies because the copies was full of mistakes.
Uh-huh.
And the goal of these prints are to make money. So Muslims say, let's burn all these pieces or all the copies because it's all full mistakes. It doesn't spread around Europe and the Arab countries. So they burned it all. So we don't have a copy of it here. Here we have the Ottomanian decoration and Ottomanian fonts. And Ottomanians are very famous in decorating the Quran. You'll see all these blue and gold mushafs. We have full mushafs as well, similar to this style. Here we have another print by a typewriter. You know, the typewriters, the old ones, in Germany, Hamburg. And this is
Germany.
Yeah, this is just one page of a full mushaf. This is a replica of the original, actually. But also there was a small mistakes in this one, but they made only one mushaf. So that's why they did not burn it. They kept it. Also, there is a third copy in Germany, in Gustav Logan, by machine. And this is the copy.
This is Germany.
Yes, Germany. And then came Egypt and made the first print of the Quran by machine. So Egypt is the first Arabic and Islamic country to print the Quran by machine.
Egypt is the first.
Yes.
Egypt. First it was Italy.
Italy, and then Germany.
Germany.
And then we came to Germany and Egypt. But Egypt is the first Islamic and Arabic country, as well as Mecca and Yemen.
Yeah, first two countries they burned it.
Yeah.
And then Egypt was the one for the first.
Yes.
Which came in 1882.
Yes. But the first copy that they approved was in Tatarstan. It was approved by using the stones. I will show you the second mathas or museum. Sorry.
So
This is the 14th century. This is the prince of Egypt. This is a famous prince in Egypt.
Egypt.
Yes. It's like always black and white. And this is our current century. The phones, the tablets, the braille.
So it started from 1979.
Yeah. The Tajweed Mushaf. So this is all available now.